Once upon a time, deep in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, there was a young woman named Jin. She was full of life, with a smile brighter than the Caribbean sun and a personality as free as the ocean breeze. Jin loved her island, its rhythm, its colors, and especially its stories. But she'd never experienced a love that was intense, the kind that makes your beat like the booming reggae drums. One day, as she danced barefoot along the sandy shores, she met Andrew, handsome, strong, with eyes that sparkled like the turquoise sea. He was a fisherman, tough as the coral reefs, but with a warmth that could melt the most disbelieving of minds. Their eyes locked, and in that moment, the world seemed to have paused. Andrew struck up a friendly conversation with Jin, and it was as if the universe started playing its sweetest tune just for them. Because in the days that followed, Jin and Andrew shared stories under the mango trees, their laughter echoing through the breeze. Andrew showed her the secret spots where the fish jumped like acrobats, and she told him about her dreams of dancing on stages across the world. Joy and affection grew with every day spent, a passion of joy and living, every glance, every touch, bursting with happiness as if their souls had known each other forever. One evening, while standing under a sky bursting with stars, Andrew took Jin's hand and led her to a small hill overlooking the glowing city below. With the half-moon shining bright, he whispered, Jin, you're my island of love, my reason to dance every day. I promise to cherish you, to love you forever, like the waves love the shore. Tears of happiness shimmered in her eyes as she hugged him tight, feeling the intense, pure magic of their happiness. And so, their story became a legend, an intense, warm love story that echoed through the hills and the waves of the Jamaica shore, reminding everyone that true love is trusting your heart to a path beautiful and free.